Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to convert any coin in USDT and MEXC. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on MEXC, you can just click the link down there in the video description below and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to click the spot right here and go to the spot trading section, and as you can see right here on the spot trading section, you can change the token that you want. So for example, from MX token, I don't want to buy MX token, but I want to buy Bitcoin perhaps. So what I'm going to do is I need to scroll up, and on the right side I can just click exchanges right here. So for example, Bitcoin to USDT. So right here I just change the my exchange into Bitcoin and USDT, and right here I can just buy USDT into Bitcoin, or sell USDT into Bitcoin, yeah, or sell Bitcoin into USDT. Either of that option, it will redirect you to a bunch of merchants that buy Bitcoins or sell Bitcoins, and you just need to make a transaction with them, and yeah, that's it. That's how you can convert coins on MEXC. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.